To replace the drain valve, you will need access to both the front and back of the washer for ease of operation. First, use a T25 Torx driver to remove the 3 screws along the bottom of the lower front panel and pull the panel out and down. Once you have access to the front of the washer, reach in and remove the 2 white wires at the valve motor and the single green-yellow ground wire. Using a pliers, release pressure on the inlet hose clamp and pull the clamp back approximately 2 to 3 inches to remove the hose from the valve. Now go to the rear of the washer to remove the rear center panel. Using a T20 Torx driver, remove the screws along the top of the panel and down each side, then push the panel up and pull out at the bottom. Next, use a Phillips screwdriver or 7mm socket to loosen the rear hose clamp. Once loose, pull the clamp back 2 to 3 inches and pull the hose from the rear of the valve outlet. Locate the 2 bolts holding the drain valve to the mounting bracket and use an 8mm socket to remove the bolts. Now remove the valve from the bracket and take out of the washer. Once the valve has been removed, use a Phillips screwdriver or 7mm socket to loosen the clamp holding the valve cap on the old drain valve. Next, remove the cap and protection plate and place the valve cap onto the new blue valve. Now, secure the cap to the new valve with a clamp. Next, locate the 2 white wires and attach to the new blue valve prior to installing the valve into the bracket. Place the new valve on the bracket and secure with the 8mm bolts. Then reattach the rear hose to the new valve and secure with a clamp. Place the rear cover back onto the washer and secure with the screws. Return to the front of the washer and connect the hose to the front of the new valve. Then secure with the clamp. Before you put the lower front panel back on, plug the washer back into power source and test. When you are sure there are no leaks, place the lower front cover back onto the front of the washer and secure with the screws.